Hey guys, today we're going to take a quick look at our delivery module. So what you're looking at is the delivery module in your back office. It would be listed under features. And here is the administrator view. Now you're able to, this is connected directly to our food ordering system. So when an order comes in from the food ordering system, it will automatically populate in the task list. And as an admin, you're able to just pick up the order and assign it to somebody right from here. Okay. What I'm going to show you now is both the front end and from the driver perspective as well as from the admin perspective. This whole thing is also inside of the app for the administrators, and it's based on login credentials. So let's take a quick look at the app versions. So here is the app. On my right hand side is this side here. This is the administrator, and on the left hand side, this is what a driver will see. We'll take a look at the customer's view in a second as well. Okay, so you can see now I've got one ride that's been assigned to me here already. I will create another ride, a manual creation, so I can click on, right now I'm in the order screen. What I'm doing here is also, you're able to do it from the back end as well. So I'll click add a task. I will select a delivery, or you can do delivery or pickup. So it'll be from, let me just find, I'll find myself. So that's the customer, and the delivery address will be, you can see the addresses are pre-populating. Okay, I don't have, front door here. This is mandatory. It's just instructions. That's where it's going. So this is the delivery address. This is the pickup address. Let's enter. There we go. And this is not mandatory second. So the schedule, I'm going to select today's date. Okay, done. And I will select the time at, where are we here? So we are at 17:15. Let's do that. Actually, we'll just make it 17 because we're closer to that. I will select from a driver's list. From the driver's list here, we've only got 2 drivers right now in this demonstration. And I can type in some notes here, so I can just basically say, my message here. Okay, and click done, hit add, and that will add it. And you can see the driver on their side of the device, on their phones, they get a push notification saying they've got a delivery schedule. So if I can click that and I come into my app and I'd open up it's hidden in the, right now in this app, but you can see the delivery has been scheduled right now. So I've got 2 deliveries scheduled on my device, on my system right now, and all I got to do is hit the start button. If I hit the start button here, it will load the directions, the descriptions, and I can even put some notes in here if I wanted to. And there is a map down here. So let me hit the map. So the turn-by-turn navigation thing is not completed quite yet, but it will provide detailed turn-by-turn navigation when it's completed. And once that's what the map is here. Once the ride is completed, you can come down here and mark as delivered. Okay, so this is going to myself. This is the driver. I'll show you my own login in a second. And let's just assume the driver, I'll give it a minute before I confirm that delivery so it has some time between it. So now I'm going to log in as myself. On the right hand side, this is the administrator of the app, the owner of the company or the business, and you can quickly take a peek at here. So you've got all your orders, your tasks that come in. I can create a task manually. Any orders that come in from the food ordering system will be already on this screen here. I can select, I can add drivers from my my user list. I can search their name and I can just add a driver, and I can fiddle with my settings. And there's in the settings, let's take a quick peek at the settings back here. In the back office, you've got your time zone, your date format, your time format. Driver notifications, this is what the drivers will get when something's assigned to them. A user notification, this is what the user will see when the driver hits the start button on their device here. They'll get this notification, and the administrator notification once the driver has started the task. So that's the settings in the back office. So now I'm going to log in as a customer, Okay, so now I've logged in as a customer, and I will click on the delivery area here, and I can see my delivery is scheduled right now. Where are we? This is 2020, sorry. Here's the delivery. It should be delivered in the next 5 minutes. And this is a dynamic time, so when I click on this, as the driver gets closer to me, I'll be able to see a dynamic, how this counts down. So I clicked on the delivery, and this is counting down how many minutes left till my driver arrives here. I can see the driver's phone number. I can see where it was picked up from. If I have any messages that were here, I can see the messages here, and then I will be able to see the driver on the map once the mapping is completed. So this is a quick overview of the delivery module. If you guys have any questions, as usual, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thanks.